Namaste everyone. Welcome to IQM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 18 from sloka number 61. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hridyesherjuna tishtati brahmayan sarva bhutani yantrarudhani mayaya. Krishna is telling, "O Arjuna, God resides in the heart of all beings, directing their wanderings by the magical power of Maya on which they are seated, as if it were a machine. तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्." O descendant of Bharata, surrender unto him completely, and by his grace you will attain absolute peace and eternal abode. Iti te jnanamakhyatam guhyat guhyataram maya vimrishyaitada yathechasi tatha kuru. Thus, I have explained to you knowledge that is most confidential. Meditate on it fully and do as you wish. Sarvaguhyatamam bhuyah shrunu me paramau vachah ishtosi me dridhamiti tato bhakshyami te hitam. Since you are dear to me, listen to what I speak. I give you the confidential knowledge, and I shall only say what is best for you. Manmana bhava madbhaktah madhyaji man namaskuru mame vaishyasi satyante pratijane priyosi me. Fix your mind on me by devotee, sacrifice for me, offer obeisance unto me. In this way, you will surely come to me. I promise you this because you are my very dear friend. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanau vraja aham tva sarva papebhyah mokshayishyami ma shuchah. Foregoing all religious injunctions, take exclusive refuge in me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reactions. Do not fear. Idam te na tapaskaya na bhaktaya kadachana na cha shushrushave vachyam na cha mayobhya suyati. This should never be explained to one who is devoid of austerity. He is not a devotee, does not wish to hear it, or is envious on me. Ya imam paramam guhyam madbhakteshvabhidhasyati bhaktim mayi parang kritva mame vaishyatya samshayah. One who explains this supreme secret to my devotees engages in the highest devotion to me. He will undoubtedly come to me. न च तस्मान्मनुष्येषु कश्चिन्मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्माद् अन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि. No one in this world is more dear to me than he is, nor will there ever be anyone on earth more dear to me. Adhyeshyate च य imam dharmyam संवादमावयोः ज्ञानयज्ञेन तेनाहम् इष्टस्यामिति मे matihi. It is my conviction that whoever studies this sacred dialogue of ours worships me through the intellect.